Hello Maranzo, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome as well. So today I'll be answering questions that I repeatedly get on my comment section, which are about the benzoic acid and the skin functional products. So if you are new and you've never seen my skincare videos, I'll just link on the videos down below. These are the videos or updates that I have about my skincare journey, my acne scars, my acne and everything like that. So if you are interested, please just check the links down below so that you can understand this video. So without me talking too much, let me actually get into the questions. So anyways, the first question that I usually get, like the most asked question that I get is which products are better between the benzoic acid and the skin functional products. So one thing that you should know, you guys, is that I was using the benzoic acid for my active acne. So if I had a breakout, I was actually using that for. So I was using that for that. Okay, English. So I was not necessarily targeting my marks or my dark marks. I was just getting rid of the painful acne and the pimples and everything like that. So after I was healed, I decided to go and buy skin functional products. So skin functional website has actually it has like categories where you have to choose your skin of concerns, where you can choose about your pigmentation, your acne, your all that, you know. So I actually was targeting on the pigmentation or dark marks section. So I was not necessarily going for, you know, the spots and the acne. The products that I have from Skin Functional are mainly for my scars and not for my breakout. I don't know if you guys understand that, although I do have a little bit of products, you know, which are just additional, but the target of buying those, I was going in for my scars mainly. So I don't know how to actually compare these two, because I would say they're best, both of them are best. I don't know if the benzoic acid does get rid of the scars. All I know is that it does get rid of the pimples. So I've been using these products for different reasons. However, I did buy Salicylic Acid, which is 9% BHA, which is meant for your pimples and your acne, which I think which is this product right here. And sometimes when I'm really lazy to go in with the BHA, or it's just 2 pimples or 3 pimples, I do go in with the Salicylic Acid and spot it. So if you are someone who is not interested to use the benzoic acid and you want to use the skin functional products for your active acne or your breakout, I would recommend the 9% BHA. It really helps a lot. Every time I have pimples and I apply it or dot it on that certain pimple or those certain pimples, English, and they do wash away. Is it washing away? What is it called? They actually disappear, guys, within 2 to 3 days. So one thing about my pimples, you guys, you should know that I do not, even when I don't pop them, I don't pop my pimples at all, but somehow they do leave dark spots. So with this product, honestly, I do see like them going down real quick, but I always have that scar somehow, like regardless of what I'm using, whether it's the benzoic acid or is this salicylic acid. I have no idea, guys. So anyways, I hope that question is cleared. So now let's go to the next question. So another question would be like, on the skin functional products, which ones are the best? So now that we cleared that I was using this for my scars, so I'll show you guys the 3 products that I really love. Remember, these are for scar treatment, okay? So the first one that I really like is the Alpha Beauty. I mean, what is life without this dark management product? I feel like this is something that this is a must-have. And this one slowly helps, you know, reduce my scars and stuff. It has been working so wonderfully and I am super excited. So another product that I really like and which I have love-hate relationship, it is the vitamin C or vitamin C, depending on where you're coming from or which school did you go to. This one I don't like it for its oil, and someone recommended another product, another vitamin C. I feel like this products really help with this vitamin C, which is 10% ascorbic ascorbic acid and ferulic acid. It brightens your scars and help them fade in a way. So this is another product that I feel like really works. So and another product that I would buy is the hydrating juice, and this one I don't know, this one I would buy it for hydration, you know, because I don't want to be dry, and as someone who has sensitive and acne prone skin, you always want to make sure that you're hydrated and you're moisturized. So these are the actually 3 products that are my best from Skin Functional in terms of treating spots. And so another question that I got is that if did I purge during the benzoic AC, and you guys, I don't understand why some questions really do come, because I feel like on my update I actually like mentioned everything, like literally like the skin journey was just there. I don't understand why would someone ask that question, but they are like repeating, and the answer is that yes, I did purge with both benzoic AC and Skin Functional products. So another question that people ask is, are you still using the benzoic AC? I feel like I've already covered that question. Is yes and no. When I feel like I'm about to break out, because sometimes I do feel that, I immediately leave the Skin Functional products and go back to benzoic AC to treat that ish and make sure, you know, everything is down, and then that's when I go to Skin Functional products. I mean, life is so difficult, guys. Life is super difficult. But anyways, since I've been using this product, you guys, I am breaking less. Like, I do not break out. I just have like little pimples here and there, and you know, I think I'm excited about that product. So I don't know. So another question that I always get is where to get this benzoic or benzoic AC, and I found that this has a cheaper version, which you can start with the starter kit. It's cheaper. It is expensive when you buy the bigger versions of this product, but the starter kit is cheap and it's sold out, guys. I think if you go in person you probably get it, so it's just sold out online. You guys are busy, okay? So anyways, that is actually it if you are wanting to buy. I don't know if I've covered everything, but I think that is it from this video. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like and comment, and I'll see you guys on the next